Hey guys, so I just thought I would jump on here and show you how I moisturize my hair using the LCO method. I talk about it all the time and I just wanted to demonstrate it to you. So liquid, this is my liquid, my DIY Ayurvedic tea mix. You must have seen my video. If you look at my previous posts, I have the recipe of how I made it. So I just spritz that on my hair. I always start with liquid. Liquid basically opens the cuticles. So guys, if you haven't watched the video on how I did my mini braids, have a look at it here. So I spritz the hair. If you see, you can see how the hair looks. So I've literally just washed my hair, that's why it looks like this. And yeah, basically all you do is spritz, 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 ensure that you're saturating and hydrating the scalp and the hair. So the next thing I'm using is this one, the leave-in conditioner. And I put a few pumps because I already have the hair in a protective style. There's no need to like overly use. So dime size, would you call that dime size? Yeah. So I rub the leave-in conditioner into my palms and then I concentrate more along the length of the hair. Try not to let it go on your scalp. As you can see, my scalp is not doing too good, but that's the update of what has happened so far. So unfortunately, I had a fungal infection and I did not know. I only know now because my daughter also got the same infection and then we've treated it. We'll share that in another video. Okay, so just the rest of it. Literally just putting that along the hair. So what you can see me do is using scrunching fists to try and squeeze the products into my hair because my hair is in braids. I'm going to use a tiny little bit more. So I just want to put those ones on the ends of the hair, literally the very ends of the hair. And the beauty is that because my hair is currently freshly washed, it's easier for the product to penetrate better. So let me show you what the back looks like. So once I've ensured that the product has penetrated the whole hair, including the back, then I would use butter. Something like this is enough. I don't overdo. So rub it together and then just literally do that. One thing I must mention is that if you use oils and butters in your moisturizing routine, you have to make sure that when you're washing your hair properly. You have to ensure that you're using clarifying shampoos to wash this product out. Otherwise, they can eventually become a film on your hair and cause your hair to lack hydration or moisture. You know, I like shaking my hair. I just love the movement. You see how the hair is bouncing? That's just because of how moisturized it is. Final revitalizing hair growth oil. That's all I'm taking. Oops. I'm doing that. And I'm just going to, you know, massage my scalp while I kind of let it go onto my scalp. I'm not oiling my scalp often. I'm doing my scalp like maybe once every 5 or 6 days. My scalp is staying quite moisturized because of the tea spritz. So the tea spritz contains essential oils. So a scalp massage is really key to encouraging hair growth because the massage stimulates our follicles, which then improves blood circulation in our scalp, which then tells our follicles to produce hair. Remember, our follicles are living, but the hair that it produces are dead. So this is why we concentrate on caring for our scalp. So it's now liquid cream oil butter. That's what I would say. So I use the butter and the oil interchangeably. Oil today wasn't really for sealing. Oil was more for my scalp, just to stimulate my follicles. That's what I did. So bye. See you in the next one.